Here's a last look at the April temperature graph, and it will summarize the intro to graphing, I suppose you could call it, in this unit. I want to talk about this handout here. Okay, so notice you have two columns of information. You've got the date in April, 1, 8, 15, 22, 29. And then you've got the temperature in Celsius. So there are two pieces of information. Now, I'm going to get you to put in the X, and I'll do this on my graph. So notice the date in April, I've got the X coordinate. The temperature in Celsius is the Y coordinate. I know you'd probably copy that down a lot neater than me, but I'm using a whiteboard marker. So notice it says the date in April is 1, and the matching temperature in Celsius is 8. That becomes the point, I'm going to write it in pencil, 1, 8. That information, two pieces of information combined, gives you a point 1, 8. Now go down to the graph, the actual picture of the graph, and you'll see that our line starts at the point 1, 8. If you go straight up and straight across, you will see that let's see, there we are. That first point, it's 1 and 8. Okay, so I want to do the rest of this on the whiteboard. So I want you to tell me the coordinates of all these points. So let's do it together. We have 1, 8 here. 1, 8. What do you think the coordinate of the next one is? Well, I know it's an 8. And I go across, and it should be a 10. What does this 8, 10 mean? Just plain pure math, it's the point 8, 10. But what does it mean? It means that on April 8th, it was 10 degrees. Why? April 8th is the 8. Whoops. And the 10 is the 10 degrees. So this has a lot of information to it, this pair of numbers here. Okay, what is the coordinate of this one? Clearly it's 15. And we slide over, and that becomes 16. I'll let you pause the video for a second, and then I'll give you the answers to the last one, okay? Or the last two, I should say. So we have 22, and that's 10, and this is 29, 14. There we have all our coordinates. It's sometimes important that we attach the lines. And that line tells us a story. said for the first couple weeks in April, the temperature was climbing. But then the third week, it started to drop. It got colder. And then in the last part of April, it started to slowly warm up again. So that is, I'm going to leave our graphing unit at that. I'll provide you with some handouts on reading graphs, practicing plotting points, and that sort of thing. Okay, so have a great day.